Hey guys, it's Ed Hudson here. Wanted to share some exciting news with you. I got my first paycheck from Prebuilt Systems today, and since I decided to focus on Prebuilt Systems and start putting a lot of effort into it. I've been with Prebuilt Systems for a couple years, but never. It was a back end. I used it to duplicate and replicate the projects that I was working on, the opportunities that I was working on through somebody else. So I've just decided to start hitting a power lead system kind of as its own business, because it really is a great business. There's so much with it. But let me show you. Okay, so I am no leader. I'm going to be a leader. I will be a leader, but I'm just starting. So I've been really focused on this for about a month, and it's part-time. There's finding my groove. I'm finding my groove. So I got paid. We were actually out camping 2 weeks ago. A week and a half ago, I guess it was. We were out camping and had poor internet service. But this just shows, my story here is just to show you that the system's automatic. Power Lead System is putting your marketing on autopilot. So we were out camping, and I had run a solo ad, and we were out camping, and it was a Saturday afternoon, and I got an email saying you got a lead lightning customer, which is they paid $7 one time, $7 fee to join Lead Lightning, and now they will make unlimited $6 commissions. So because of that, I made a $6 commission. So celebrate your wins, right, and learn from your losses. So here's my win. I got paid. The system works. Put the system on autopilot, and it works. $6 payment. This is, let's come in here. What did I posted this in the Power Lead System group, and they say one of the things that quote that goes around. They didn't. Bones kind of said it right there. Now you know that it works, and that you can do it. So it takes just as much effort to get, say, $1,000 commission, which is the highest commission in Power Lead System, as it does to get a $6 commission. It's just going to take time, and I'll start, rolling in $1,000 commissions, which may be a year down the road. I mean, this is This is no get rich quick scheme. I know that, and I'm not expecting it to be. But let's look at some of. So this is Frank. So he's the top money earner in the company. He made just over $5,000 this week. He made over $5,000 last week, so that's $20,000 a month just in commissions from Power Lead System. So results are not typical. I mean, this is the top. This guy knows what he's doing. He's my mentor. I'm doing everything that he's teaching me to do. I follow his teaching. He's one of the ones that I follow. He's one of my mentors. I'm getting a few that all have a little bit different style, so I'm kind of catching my own style and my own leadership skills. But Frank knows what he's doing, and he teaches it, and I'm following what he is teaching. So here's Dennis. He kind of got started with me. I don't think he had a $6 pay period. I don't know what he did. He blanked it out. But you know what? I'm not embarrassed showing my $6 earnings. You got to start somewhere, right, boys, girls? We got to start somewhere. Here's, forget who, I'm not sure who this is. Right there. Felicia. She got a payment. Here's Sean. Sean got a payment. He made $100. So I'm not just showing you the top money earners. These are people just like you and I that are just getting started. What's that one? I can't really. $300. Amanda, she's she's a money maker with this. She has, where's interviews at? I just pulled up interviews here. There's Amanda right there. So there's an interview series that shows they have room for like 16 interviewers, kind of the top money makers in the business, in the company. So you can come in here. I'll drop the link down below. You can come in here, watch real people tell their story about how Prebuilt Systems has helped them. She went from making zero money online, from zero online experience, to making over $90,000 using the Prebuilt System. And this is just the marketing system. A lot of these people have other businesses that they use Prebuilt System with to promote the other primary business. So these people are telling their stories. There's, how many of them are there so far? 13. And each one has a different story. Each one's I've listened to all of them. Another one of my mentors right here is Rob. He paid off $102,000 in back child support in 8 months using Lead Lightning and the Prebuilt System. And he's a good mentor for me as well. I like his style. But anyways, let's go back here. So that is James Fomba. He got a payment. So I just want to show you guys. Here's a $440 one from Linda. People are making money with this. This is, I may have only made $6 today, but it's a start. It's like Bone said, the system works. And then, speaking of the system, well, here's the official. We have great support system with Prebuilt System. Here's the official Facebook group. So, if you guys decide to jump in, get your link, come in. Make sure you get into the Facebook group, because there's some good teachings in here. There's some good learning happening in here. We support, encourage, support each other. Here's business in Autopilot, running a solo ad, and look at the I just ran a 100-click solo ad today. It started today, and look, it's I don't know how many. I haven't counted how many people have opted in, but opting in, I bet I get 1 or 2 Lead Lightning members out of this in the following week or two, after the automatic email system kicks in and starts shooting them out emails saying they need to get on board. Let's come to this Gmail account. So we get so that's one of the things, you come over here, you go through my system, my funnel, and then you get put on the email list. You can unsubscribe anytime you want to. You can unsubscribe anytime you want to, and you'll get emails from me. Like I use this account to sign up. What's going on? Let's see, PAYDAY system. Let's just do. So here's an email that my system sent me. Free lead system. Real quick, did you have the feedback we're getting from members using the system has been overwhelming. They love it. Visit here. You got a call of action. There's your login information. So, it's an automatic system. We're on Autopilot. And, not only is the business on Autopilot, like I said, I had somebody join me. I barely had internet capabilities. I was out camping with my wife, made $6. And it actually happened Sunday morning too. I got another email on Sunday morning. So next week I know I'm getting a $6 paycheck as well. So I got to work and try and get, help somebody else get involved so they can start earning money. So one of the things that I love about PAYDAY system is the training. We had training tonight. Wednesday night is Hangout Wednesday. So payday, I'm just going to start calling them Wild Wednesdays because you get paid and you get training. So Franco goes through and teaches us what PAYDAY system is, how to use it, how to make money with it. It's systems and duplication. Do it, teach it, keep it simple. Follow the system. These are great. I mean, this is a super simple system. Plus, then we go into our back office here, we got all kinds of more training. Endless free leads. If you become a affiliate, a gold member, this is a $300 system right here that you get for free to teach you how to use social media from social media. The father of social media, they call him Max. So exclusive for silver or gold members. And I'm going through this right now, learning how to use social media better to get free leads. It's free. Take advantage of it. What other training we got in here? We got training from the PAYDAY system on how to use. We have a ton of already pre-built. This one, I think. We have a ton of pre-built systems, but you can come in here and make your own, like some of my mentors do. And I've had some of the mentors say, don't even worry about building your own system yet. Use ours for a while till you get used to it. And a lot of people have made a ton of money, and they've never even built their own system before. And I'm using systems built by others, and I'm using some of these pre-built systems in here, and they're working good. Here's all the systems. Easy to get them all set up and get running. What else we got? We got another training area. I'll do other videos explaining all this stuff. Power VIP Club is free for us to get into and use. Free ad secrets is an upgrade. So there's a ton of stuff. We got interview series. I'll have the link down below so you can get in and watch some of these, James or Rob or Amanda or Bones or Franco, listen to their stories. And then here's Wednesday night training. Thursday night we're going to have another training. Last week it was on how to use Instagram for free leads. How to use Instagram so you can get leads off of it. Super simple stuff. But it's training. Every week we have free training. So you know what? I'm going to call it for the night. I just wanted to push this out there, show you some paychecks. My little $6 one, which may not be a big deal to some people, but it's my first paycheck of many paychecks to come. The more I help people, the more we'll make. And I'm just a blue collar working man. I'm an electrician. I'm ready to get me a little laptop lifestyle going and help others do the same. Help other blue collar working men that are living paycheck to paycheck better themselves. So anyways, I'm out of here. Just want to show you some big paychecks, my little paychecks, and some in between. Show you that we had a great Wednesday night training. I'll put that link down below too. These are 24/7, so you can go back and watch this whenever you get time. A lot of times I'm just laying in bed, kind of bored, put my headphones in, and watch them on my phone. But anyways, we'll catch you tomorrow or in a day or two on the next video.